Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology.
Fasik, second year mechanical engineering student from SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to present about EV adoption. In this we have spoken about solar vehicles, where in our day-to-day life many people are facing lots of struggle due to the high fuel cost and other high cost in our life. But we have solutions where people were moving to small places like from their home to school and home to hospital. Like that, when they move in the small places, they need transportation. But in the current time, they can't afford a high cost fuel. So that we have generated a solar vehicle where it can pursue less energy and can give more efficiency, where they can be cost efficient and can act on those, and they can be preventive on eco-friendly vehicles. And further it will be explained by Harish.
So good morning, myself Hari Vishnu, a second mechanical engineering student. So let me define our problem statement. If we take a fuel bike or a car, we need fuel. We get more number of air pollution, sound pollution, etc. So by using these solar vehicles, we can easily move from one place to another by the sunlights. So in the future, the solar panels will be about the AI. Also the vehicles also totally on electricity. So here we will be totally the vehicles will be on solar. So the further will be continued by Harrison.
Good morning everyone, myself Harrison from SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to explain about prototype. Prototype is a small thing which we are created with a miniature. The solar panels are fixed at the top, and we fixed the rechargeable charger battery, and that's very weightless, and the prototype are in a small structure which solar panels are fixed at the top. For lightweight we use the solar panels, and for efficiency and balance we fixed in a correct way and in correct balance. The prototype are in a small weight, and it make faster to the vehicle. The next will be explained by Hamza.
Yes, according to this, we created an idea. We had an idea like Ashik and Harishnu said, we has a problem in the normal vehicle for fuel consumption and the cost. So that we created a solar panel which will be useful on vehicles to travel or reduce the fuel consumption. So we designed a hybrid solar battery which will be not fully fully depend on solar, but it will be run on fuel, but while running it will be absorb the solar energy and it will be stores the energy in it. In case of the lower fuel level, this hybrid battery will be on, so that car or vehicles will be moved with the help of that solar battery consumption, which will be also where this solar panel will be less weight, so it will reduce that lightweight to improve the efficiency. These kind of vehicles will not be used for long distance. It can be used for short range or short distance. Further we can be on.
So finally on test stage, we have tested our solar vehicle prototype under a sunlight and artificial light. So we have calculated the load capacity, durability, and charging speed and motor speed. So through this we have understand that the solar vehicle is much better in the sunlight. So even it requires a backup battery for cloudy areas, and if we reduce the weight, it gives more speed. So if we attach the better panel on solar purpose, so it increases the battery efficiency. So we have collected the data from the people's students and many teachers. So through this we have gained more important points to improve our project. So if we implemented this going to be the future transportation ideate. So this was our design thinking based project here we have created.
So let me add some more points how our model will be. So when we talk about the solar, everybody can come an idea how it works on it. So the panel will be on the top of the bike or a car, and the battery control will be set where it regulates the power, and the battery pack where the sunlight directly on the solar panel and gets the charge to the battery, and it runs on the night also. Thank you.
As we conclude the speech, as Harrison and Harivishnu and finally Adil said about things about how the hybrid technology and the solar cars work in future, particularly through this DT-based video, I am coming to conclude that as Harrison and Hamsavardhan said, the EV vehicles are now in trend, but we can still improve the efficiency of the EV cars through solar panels. But still we can't implement a complete solar car, but it can be a secondary power. Like in EV cars, we have the regenerative systems in braking and other reverse acceleration. Through that, in that segment, we can include a solar panel where it can give more efficiency for people, and they can be less investing in cost for the transportation. Thank you.
So here our students are trying to tell the overall importance, applications, and their ideology based on EV vehicle. And